What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be doing an obliques workout. That's this area right here on the top of your waist and these abs up at the top. So we're gonna be shredding those up today. I've got a few good workouts for us we're gonna do together here on my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And let's get into this workout. So the first workout we're gonna be doing is called the oblique heel touch. So what you wanna do is you wanna sit on your butt. I'm gonna show you guys the form first, and then we're gonna get into the actual routine. So just to go over form, feet like this, they're gonna stay up. Then we're gonna go on our back like this. Put your hand up on your head. We're gonna slide over, slide back. Don't put your head back. I know a lot of people might get this confused with that one workout that's like this. It's not the same, so just make sure you don't put your head back at all. Having your head up is really gonna focus on flexing this area right here, which is what you really wanna focus on with this exercise. So now that we know the technique, let's get into the workout. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 20 on each side. It's not hard. Do not do this. Don't do this and come up. Stay on the ground, keep your head off the ground, and just slide. Slide back, slide. Slide back, slide, slide back. I kind of think I sound kind of weird because my neck is like curled up, but that's the routine. Let's start. 3 sets of 20, get it. Switching sides. So I like to take a 30-second break between workouts just to let my body kind of recuperate and just kind of get a little bit of a break. You're gonna feel the burns on these exercises because they're so targeted. And so just really take your time. If you need a minute, take a minute. If you have to catch your breath, catch your breath. You're at home, it's comfortable, you know, you're not in the gym. That's what I love about this. You're at home, it's more comfortable. So take your time, let's do this together. 30 seconds, you can time yourself on your phone to be exact, and let's get back to the workout. Starting again with the left side. Pick your hand up, go back down. All right, that was good. I literally can feel it in my obliques. Yes, bitch. So this next routine is really, really good. It's called the slow swimmers. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay on our stomachs. And this can be tough for some girls because depending on, you know, what time of the month and things like this, your boobs can be more tender. So for guys, it's no problem. So fellas, do this. But ladies, do this too because it's gonna work, trust me. So go down on your stomach. And what you wanna do is you wanna put your face, I'm just gonna take this mic off. Hopefully you can still hear me. What you wanna do is you wanna put your face down. And these are called slow swimmers for a reason. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring up one side of our body, but on the opposite. So I can't really see. So what we wanna do is We're gonna be bringing up opposite sides of our body while looking down. So like your hands are like this, right? You're like this, but you're gonna be bringing up like this, opposites. That's my right foot and my left arm. That's up, and then up. Just like this. But it's called the slow swimmers. So moving in a slower, oh, the mic is here. It's called the slow swimmers. So moving in a slower direction can be really helpful. We're gonna do 3 sets of 60 seconds or 1 minute. So grab your phone and time yourself. I've got my phone right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the timer, and we're gonna do 3 sets of 60 seconds. We're gonna do all 3 sets together right now. Let me just move this to the side of me. And ready to go. Let's get our first set in. Take your time, don't rush. If it's too hard, you can just do 3 sets of 30 seconds. Ready, go. Boom, 1 minute, take a second, take 30 seconds, reset your timer, set 30 seconds, rest for a little bit, and then we're gonna get into set 2. Set your timer, 60 seconds, set 2. Second rest. Does that work? Can you hear me? ASMR workout video. Shh. That's so fucking creepy. Sorry guys, I had to have some fun with it. Last set, let's get it. All right, that's a good one. Honestly, I feel it in my obliques. I also feel it a little bit in my lower back. The traps right here, both sides, feel pretty good. All right guys, so this next exercise is called heel taps. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get on our butts again, but we're gonna go up this time. And we're gonna go like this. You can keep your hands facing sideways, like hands side to side. And what you wanna do is you wanna bring your foot up and tap it. Tap it. Tap it. And we're gonna do 3 sets of 15. For this last exercise, this is called the Oblique Crunch variation, and we're gonna do 3 sets of 20. For this next exercise, we're gonna talk about form first, and then we're gonna get into the exercise. So what you wanna do is you wanna leave one leg down, put one leg out, put one leg on, put one leg on your head. No, I'm just kidding. Put one hand on your head, put one hand down the mat, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to kick in. But see how my leg is moving with the momentum of going in? So don't try to keep this leg straight. It's just gonna make it awkward and uncomfortable. So when you kick in, don't be afraid to lean on this leg and kind of go in a little bit, right? Like that. Don't be like super stiff where it's just gonna feel awkward. So try to just like move with your body, momentum, okay? So that's the first step. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here, kick up, we're gonna put our foot back out, rise up, and then crunch over, crunching this area right here. So it's a variation, it's called the Oblique Crunch variation. First set, I'm taking off the mic. All right, now it's time to go ahead and switch legs. 3 sets of 20 on the other side as well. Let's get to it. All right guys, that's the workout for today. I hope you enjoyed hitting obliques with me. If you did, leave me a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any workout requests, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.